Okay, we ready?
Not really.
Okay, you can record.
You want that book out?
If you want it out. We're
Okay.
gonna work off the time.
Oh, okay.
All right,
Should we take notes?
it would be good. All right, so I'm gonna just briefly go over the packet that I gave you guys. All right. First, we have a little newborn assessment packet. So this is all the little tidbits of information that you would look for when you're doing a newborn assessment. So this is just for you guys, for your own knowledge.
You know what, I left my,
You need PowerPoint?
I left my PowerPoint.
Okay, I got extra copies. But the newborn assessment, that's for you guys to have, use it as reference.
Everybody sign it? You all sign it?
Thank you.
Oh, not that. It's not a big card. So good.
No. All right, so you got the newborn assessment. The next sheet is the baby. Okay, so this is just an explanation of what they're talking about when they say, okay, she's -2 or she's +1. That's talking about where the baby is as far as the pelvis is concerned. 0 station is your ischial spine. Okay, so the higher the baby is in the pelvis, it's -1, -2, -3. The lower the baby is in the pelvis, it's +1, +2, +3, crowning, delivered. Does that make sense? Yes. Good? Questions? All right. Next, you have a copy of a handwritten fetal heart tracing. Okay? The bottom, right here, are your contractions.
Is that high?
Well, I just made them that way. Are your contractions, and then the top portion here is the fetal heart rate. Okay? There's 2 pages, and it goes, okay.
Is this a deceleration?
It is. It goes along with this paper. Okay, up top, you'll see it says veal chop. Okay, so the first decel that you see is a variable. Variables happen because of cord compression, so VC. Okay, the next one you have is an early. Earlies happen because of head compression. The baby's pressing down. Okay.
Which one is an early?
The second one, it mirrors the contraction. So as the fetal heart rate comes down to its lowest point, it actually mirrors the contraction itself. It's an early.
So these are all decelerations we're talking about? right?
Yes. There's only one that's not. Okay, and that's
Deceleration.
the second page. The 2 that go above baseline, okay, those are accelerations, and they are for oxygenation. That baby is well oxygenated. Okay? Okay? And the very, very last one, it kind of got cut off, is a late deceleration. That is for placental insufficiency. Okay? So if you remember veal chop, you will know what your decels and accels mean. Variable for cord compression.
Oh.
Early, you understand, early for head compression. Acceleration is oxygenation. Late is placental insufficiency. Just remember veal chop. Got it? All right. Understand? This goes with this goes, yep. No, it's more than that. It's more than that, yeah. In utero? Yeah. Yeah.
No, the numbers, so they.
So, when you're looking at your fetal heart rate tracing, where the average of your fetal heart rate is, that is your baseline. So when they say, what is your baseline, it means where's the heart rate? Okay, so you're around 140, 145, okay? The up and down squiggle is your variability. On this strip, it's moderate, okay? Absent would be a straight line, okay? Good? All right. And the very last thing on your Veal Chop paper, you have the bubble heat, and that's for your postpartum assessment. So what do you have? Bubble heat? Bubble heat. All right, so your breast, you're gonna be assessing breast, uterus, bowel, bladder, lochia, edema, hemorrhoids, episiotomy, okay? The bleeding. All right, so this is just a little reference for you guys to have when you're out on the floor, okay? Good?
So Veal Chop is like food.
Good job.
Veal Chop is during labor and delivery. Bubble heat is postpartum. Okay? All right. Any questions on it? All right. So now we are going to get into our PowerPoint. We're going to start with chapter 9. It's a lot of information. Please let me know if you have any questions. Okay.
Veal Chop was for labor and delivery.
Labor and delivery, right. So the baby's still in utero, mom didn't deliver yet, and that's how you're interpreting the fetal heart rate tracing.
So the baby saturation for acceleration will be between 47 utero, 40 and 70 in utero.
Well, you don't have to really work, you
Yeah, but I
just,
just.
you just want to know that, you just want to know that it's oxygenated.
Right.
Can you guys see? Is that on?
They thought they didn't work yesterday. Did you turn the thing on for my tape? I need to leave it. Oh, red dot. I know, I see what they did. Is that green dot up there? That's a red dot. I can feel that data.
Oh my God, I had a meeting. We need to turn the mic down.
Yeah, we will, but it should be up there.
The lights on. What does that red light say?
It's in power, it's blinking, but it's blinking. Yeah, it's really yesterday too. Yeah, she did.
You got it.
No, the yo Jenny did. For the morning. Okay.
All right. Minor technical difficulty. Count plus the tape. Hold on.
That's the DRC.
It is.
They could edit it.
Can you, who called? Say it.